In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a meal plan using the blank planner. The blank planner allows you to hand select recipes for clients based on their exact needs. From your planner, select New, then select Blank. Add a plan title, and then select Rules. Apply any tags or ingredient exclusions. In this example, we'll create a meal plan that is pork-free, rice-free, and egg-free. If you'd like to save your rules for future use, be sure to save them as a bookmark. Click Create Bookmark, and your tags and ingredient exclusions will be saved under the Bookmarks tab. You can quickly apply your tags and ingredient exclusions within the planner for future meal plans or from within the Recipes tab. Once everything has been entered, click Create Plan. Your meal plan will automatically save and can be accessed at any time under the Recents button. Now you're ready to add recipes. Click into any open meal slot and choose from any recipe. You can find recipes you need by searching for a recipe name. For example, let's say I want to add a salad to dinner. I can search salad and see a selection of salads that meet all of the rules that I've applied. Select the recipe that you'd like to add. Be sure to adjust the number of servings as needed and the days you'd like to add it to. Then select Add. Your recipe will be added to the days you selected. You can always drag and drop as needed to place the recipes where you'd like. Be sure to mark any of the days as leftovers by clicking the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Toggle as Leftover. This ensures your client can cook once and enjoy the meal multiple times while shopping for the proper amount of ingredients. Repeat the process of adding meals until your planner is complete. If you'd like to search for recipes with more robust filters, you can use the filters located on the Recipes tab and add recipes to your blank meal plan that way. Ensure you are using the same tags and exclusions previously set in your Smart Rules. You can easily do this by saving it as a bookmark, and then applying your bookmark under the Recipes tab. Now I can layer on additional filters to look for snack recipes that take no more than 15 minutes, contain no more than 3 ingredients, and contain less than 20 milligrams of sodium per serving. Once your filters are set, select Filter Recipes. To add any recipe from the gallery to your meal plan, click on the icon with 3 dots and select Add to Plan. Choose the correct meal plan, the correct meal, and adjust the servings if needed. Select the days you'd like to add it to and select Add Recipe. You can also click into any recipe card to find out more about the recipe and add it to your meal plan by selecting the Add button, choosing the correct meal plan, the correct meal, and the days you'd like to add it to. Once your meal plan is complete, you can share it with your clients. Click the Share button and copy the shared link. Be sure to turn on any additional permissions needed. You can use attachments to send a message. Send the link to your client via email or your practice management software. And that's how easy it is to create a meal plan using the blank planner.